What's everybody doing? So I got the shovel out. They all want to come in. And that's because the soil's full of life. I made a few videos about this. They just shut the wood chipper off across the street. But I stopped and saw them. They'll be bringing me some fresh wood chips. So it's towards the end of February. I'll be digging these out. Then we're going to top my beds, top dressing it. Here's the soil we started with. This dark red clay. Hi, buddy. And so we have these swales that get filled with the wood chips. And then those wood chips, doing that fungal component. You can see the bark breaking down. And the chickens and ducks defecating in it will eat insects out of it. You saw the worm. So it has multiple purposes. It's feeding the chickens and the ducks. It's bringing in that insect and that fungal life to break it down. And the worms and whatnot that eat it. Can't see through my viewfinder. Add that humus to it. That gives it the ability to hold together like this. A sign of a good soil is to be able to squeeze it together with no water come out of it. Just a drop or two maybe. Turns a tight ball like that. Oh, a worm on my finger. Squeeze it, it should fall into clumps. Like that. So all that from just listening to the chipper in the neighborhood, stopping and asking them to drop off the chips, because it's easier for them to come to your home than somewhere else. Oh, I thought that was them on cue. And that builds the fertility on your property. So using the chickens, scratching and defecating in it, adding that nitrogen to the heavy carbon wood chips being chipped from the inside of the wood. Left in these swales for a year. And we top dress our beds with it. Hope that makes sense. See ya.